Hi everyone, backing up your work can be very important should anything happen to your computer. So we do have automatic backup capabilities in Optuma. If you click on the settings menu and then backup settings, you'll see the path here where your work is saved. So all your workbooks, all your scans, your scripts, everything like that are saved on your C drive by default. And the backup location is also on the C drive. So it makes sense that if should anything happen to your computer, to keep a copy of these backups elsewhere, either on an external drive or in the cloud. So a lot of new Windows computers nowadays, they have either OneDrive automatically built in, or Google Drive or Dropbox, something like that. And you can set the backup location to the cloud. So I've got OneDrive set up here with an Optuma folder for backups. And so should anything happen, and I've got it set to daily backups automatically. So every day a copy of all my files are copied to the cloud in OneDrive. So should anything happen to this computer, I can always restore my files. For example, just click on a date, select a workbook folder, and then the specific file that I want, and then I can restore from backup. Also, we have autosave. So that means if you're working on a workbook, it'll take a snapshot every X number of minutes. So you can set there how often it takes that snapshot and how many copies of the workbook. So every 5 minutes it will take a copy, and I'll have 5 copies should anything happen. And that way, if the computer or something happens before you get to physically save the workbook, you'll be able to get it from the autosave snapshot through here. Finally, quick reminder, there's a growing library of these quick tip videos. If I go down here to the optuma.com/videos page, scroll down a little bit, here's all the quick tips. And as you can scroll left and right to see all the ones that we've done so far. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.